Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Every Tuesday and Friday, I upload new videos on unboxing, reviews, wear and tear, comparison, what fits, how to style, and I also include mug shots of designer handbags, shoes, and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. So let's go ahead and get to the video. Today I want to share with you my designer summer shoe collection. So let's start off with the Valentino Rockstud sandals. From one of my previous videos, I got a YSL wallet on chain during the designer sales event from Neiman Marcus, which I was able to get a $300 gift card from that purchase. So this is what I bought. Valentino Rockstud caged slide sandals in the color powder. It is made with Napa leather with silver Rockstud trim. They have 2.4 covered block heel, caged T-strap, leather lining and sole. It's made in Italy, and I normally wear a size 8, but in Valentino shoes, I always get a half size bigger. And so the size 38.5 fits comfortably. I like that the heels are not too high and they're very comfortable to walk in. And the nude color, I can easily match it with any color of outfit. And it's just beautiful. I just love these sandals. So the next one is another sandals from Valentino, which I have already done an unboxing on. I will put the link to the unboxing try-on video in the description box, as well as the other links of videos that I've already posted. This is the Valentino Rockstud platform sandals, which I really love because they're very comfortable and can go with any outfit, jeans, shorts, dresses of any color. I just love it. The next pair of summer shoes is from Salvatore Ferragamo. It is called the Salvatore Ferragamo Jelly Flats in black. It has gold tone hardware. They have covered heels. It is made with PVC on the upper lining and sole. They're very comfortable. They're soft for the feet, very stylish, and well made for the price. I always get compliments every time I wear these shoes. And the only thing is that sometimes it squeaks when I walk. Well, it's not too loud and it just sounds weird. So I ordered the size 8. I think they're true to size. And here's another one from Salvatore Ferragamo, Vera bow jelly slides in white. It is made in Italy. It is made of PVC and the sole is made with rubber. I think you can wear this in the pool, but be careful because the lining is made with leather. These sandals are new and I haven't worn it yet. I still haven't removed the protective cover on the Vera bow engraving. But just by fitting it and walking with it, I really feel that they're very comfy. I really like these slippers because they're like dressy and stylish. I just love the way it looks. The next one is the Guccissima black Espadrilles. I have done a review on this, which I will link in the description box. I love that the Gucci monogram is very subtle. They're very simple yet stylish and easy to match with any outfit. And of course, they're very comfy. And the last pair is from PrAda. I got them on sale from the Cabazon outlet. They are the last pair on the size 38 and a half. I could actually go down to a size 38, but I can just wear socks and they just fit right. I love these because I like white sneakers, and I think that they're perfect for dresses, jeans, shorts, just about any outfit. They are made with leather, so I can actually wear them any time of the year. They're very well made and durable. The only downside for me is that since they're white, they get dirty easily. I just need to always be careful and maybe learn the best way to clean them. Other than that, I really love these sneakers because they're comfortable and soft for the feet. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!